back to the channel. As you can see, we're back out here with the new Camaro. We're getting ready to do some more stuff on. We're gonna pull all these heavy items off the car. We're gonna get this heavy hatch off here, get the doors off, try and knock that out today. Get the car cleaned up, get everything out of there on the inside. Yet we still got the dash and the center console. So once we get that stuff pulled out, we'll be in a good spot to start making some actual forward progress on it. So I just picked up a whole bunch of 1 3/4 tubing that it's a 095 wall that we're gonna start building the cage out. So I got my bender out here, got a new art plasma cutter, so we get to play with that, and brought a new MIG welder out too. So we replaced the old MIG welder that we had. So we got that sold and got a new one. So that's awesome. So we're getting ready to tear this thing down all the way from Colorado. I got my brother Rick coming in to help me with this tear down. So we're super excited he's here to help out. So he volunteered. He told me he was coming out. So super excited to have him. So this will be awesome, especially trying to take this heavier stuff off, because I know trying to take that hood off by myself in the last one was not fun. So anyway, let's get started. Let's do it. I know I mentioned in one of the sway bar video that I did to take some tape and wrap it around the swivel joint. Well, I'm at my dad's house, and like father, like son, he's got the exact same thing on his. Well, as you can see, we got the car all stripped out, all cleaned out. She's bare, but it was dirty. It had a lot of dust and grime and just a whole bunch of gunk on this thing. So we decided to pull it out and give her a good cleaning. So that way we got a nice clean body to start with. So, but like I said, everything looks good. The car is a super clean car. I mean, this is just, it's like I said, it's super nice. It's very minor, just a couple little spots of surface rust, but that's about it. So yeah, so dismantling what was left in the car definitely took a little longer than anticipated, like always. So the next step is to we're going to start fabbing up the main hoop for the roll cage, and start figuring out the roll cage situation. I think we're going to do a halo in the car, and then that way we're going to run those tubes out through the firewall and tie it into the front frame rails, and we're going to cut a lot of the front section away of the car, and we'll lean the radiator over forward to duct that up through the hood. All kinds of fun stuff. So stay tuned. Well, it was a good productive day today. As you can see, like I said, showed the vehicle. Didn't quite get as far as we wanted to with the roll cage, but super happy. I'm very happy with the progress that we made today. I was hoping to get to the main hoop of the roll cage today, but turns out I forgot one of the critical pieces for the tubing beder, the hydraulic ram. So that's going to be another day project. So, but the car is now fully prepped and ready to start putting the cage in. So that's good. So everything is cleaned up, gave it a good bath, got it all washed out. So we're ready to start dropping this cage in and getting this thing ready. Hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you don't mind, please give us a like and subscribe. Leave us a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.